Hey gang, this is Shannon Scott with Bonaventure Cemetery Journeys, and I'm here with three lovely ladies who are all visiting from where?
Atlanta, basically.
Yeah. Atlanta, basically. Okay,
Yes.
I've never heard of that place, Atlanta, basically.
That's
But and what brought you all to Savannah?
A girls' weekend.
All right,
And
excellent.
Fabulous getaway.
And there's no better way to celebrate St. Patrick's Day weekend than to have a cemetery tour.
I agree wholeheartedly. Here,
Exactly.
here. Let us swear eternal friendship on these eternal grounds,
We're
man.
a different type of thrill seekers.
And okay, so we've obviously been roaming the grounds for a couple hours today. What were your impressions of Bonaventure?
Magnificent.
It is. This
we've
is
been here
our
before.
about fourth time here, but your tour made it come alive.
Oh,
Yes,
thank you,
honestly,
thank you,
it did. It
thank
was
you.
Great.
This is
Peaceful.
I
you
used
need
to
an A and a B tour. So those who have
Right.
taken the A, because you know so much, you could do a B.
Yeah, that's true. That's well said. I like that. I like that. I'll think about that.
I
Now,
taught history a long time ago.
okay.
And this was fascinating from a historical perspective. Not only did we learn just about the people who are here, but their families and their influences really on our country. It was fantastic.
Great, great. Well, I'm glad that is definitely an intent of the tour. I'm glad that it showed or
Definitely.
translated.
You succeeded.
Now, please tell us your names for everyone out there.
I'm Lynn White.
I'm Angie McGill.
And I'm Linda Williams.
Great. And how long have you all known each other?
Over 40
Over 40
years.
years.
All right, all right. Well, I'm honored that you all were here. Well, ladies, thanks for taking the tour. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And again,
It was wonderful.
you can check it out on the Bonaventure Cemetery's Facebook page.
Oh,
Okay.
right.
Thanks a lot. Hope to see you again.
Thanks
Thank
so much,
You will.
Shannon.
Good.
Thank you.